We got a lot happening here this morning. You see the stretcher headed over to the helicopter. And that is because I assume there was an accident here at this intersection. For some reason, people do not know how to use this intersection. We probably have a terrible accident here every 2 or 3 months. I see the rollbacks are just moving in here now. So I'm going to be another 15 or 20 minutes sitting here, I'm sure. The intersection is blocked up. So at the intersection here to the right, if you turn down the road to the right, that is one of the gates to get onto Patuxent River Naval Air Station. Of course, it is about 7 o'clock in the morning. People have decided they're not going to wait. They're going to turn around and go another way. I've got a fire truck trying to get out of this road behind me. Wait a minute, is that a second person they're putting on the helicopter? I'm not sure now. And now the telephone pole is going to block my vision. It may have been. There's 2 ambulances there. Hey, they are letting people move left. Okay, I see. You can't see it from your vantage point. But it appears there is a pickup truck into the pole. And it looks like it is head-on into that pole. Hey, we're going to get people going around here now. This is good. The school buses just let out. A school 3 miles south of here, so we've got a line of cars. People are going to be late to work. Oh yeah. People, as I've said before, they do not know how to drive around here. Everybody is always in a hurry, including the fire truck. The helicopter stays in the air every day, toting patients to the hospital. Traffic, that's one of the reasons I am ready to retire and get out of this county and state, because of traffic and accidents. Alright, let's keep on keeping on and get these soybeans up to Purdue. We've got soybeans to cut this afternoon, if it's going to be dry enough. Oh yeah, it is a perfect day for cutting soybeans and planting wheat. Not sure if you can see the tractor turning around way down there, but I found somebody to drive a tractor for me today and plant some wheat. We've got a little bit of wind here, low humidity, and we're gonna cut some soybeans. Let's do it. Okay, I believe the full moon is tonight, and we just missed it setting here in the west. But if we turn around here to the east, we're gonna have a beautiful sunrise this morning. Yeah, a few clouds in the sky, but wow, that's just gorgeous there. And I have loaded some wheat on the truck, and I'm headed down to get the drill loaded up and ready to go for the day.